Hey guys, so I'm changing it up on you. So instead of doing Ingalls, we're doing Clara Lake up at Mission Ridge. And so it's a short hike, but because you're at elevation, it's a quick elevation gain. So just be aware of that. You'll probably start to breathe a little bit harder, but it's a quick one to Clara. If you want to keep on going, you can keep on going out a little bit further, but here we go. Okay guys, so you're gonna be cutting over another trail here. So I'm standing on what's called the Pipeline Trail, but you're going to continue to go straight ahead towards Lake Clara. So Pipeline Trail is another trail that you can hit if you ever want to, but we're hitting going up to Clara Lake. So keep on trucking. I know you're getting some elevation right away, so you've got this. Okay, so you're gonna get to a spot where it's a fork in the road. It doesn't matter what direction you go. One thing to note, you have probably seen a ton of trees that are down. Well, here's the thing with that. We have had heavy snows in the last year and also wind. And so what's going on is you're seeing a lot of these trees from heavy snow and wind coming down. And so just one of those things about forestry and taking care of the forest. We love our forests, but as you can tell, some of these trees have been brought down because of wind and snow. So enjoy. Okay guys, so this is the second Y, and you are very, very close to Lake Clara. So when you get up to this point, you're gonna take a left and head out towards Lake Clara and just enjoy your time. And if you want to swim, it might be a little cold, but you can also jump in and cool yourself off.